Alright, picture this: you're staring at your phone, a knot forming in your stomach. Your portfolio, meticulously crafted on M1 Finance, is acting weird. Maybe it's a sudden market dip, maybe it's a glitch, maybe you just have a simple, burning question about your account. You need answers, and you need them now. So, you do what most of us instinctively do: you search for a phone number. You want to talk to a real person, get that reassurance, that human touch. But, can you? Does M1 Finance, the platform you've entrusted with your hard-earned money, actually have a phone number you can call? That's the question we're tackling today. It's a question that's surprisingly common, and for good reason. In a world increasingly dominated by digital interactions, the ability to pick up a phone and speak to someone directly can feel like a lifeline. We're going to dive deep into M1 Finance's customer service model, explore why they operate the way they do, and ultimately, give you a clear answer to that burning question. First, let's establish some context. M1 Finance has positioned itself as a modern, technology-driven investment platform. They're known for their PI-based investing, automated rebalancing, and fractional shares. They cater to a demographic that's comfortable with digital tools and self-directed investing. This digital-first approach is central to their business model and directly impacts how they handle customer support. Now, let's cut to the chase. The short answer is, M1 Finance does not offer direct phone support. Yes, you heard that right. No dialing a number, no waiting on hold, no speaking to a representative over the phone. Instead, they primarily rely on digital channels for customer communication. This might sound frustrating, even alarming, to some. But before you jump to conclusions, let's explore why they've chosen this path. The primary reason for this digital-centric approach is efficiency and scalability. M1 Finance handles a massive volume of users and transactions. By focusing on digital channels, they can streamline their support process, respond to inquiries more quickly, and ultimately, keep their operating costs lower. This allows them to offer competitive pricing and features to their users. Think about it. A traditional phone support system requires a significant investment in staffing, infrastructure, and training. By eliminating this, M1 Finance can allocate resources to other areas, like improving their platform and developing new features. Furthermore, digital channels offer several advantages in terms of record keeping and issue resolution. When you submit a support request through their platform, every interaction is documented. This creates a clear audit trail, making it easier for M1 Finance to track issues, identify trends, and ensure consistent service. So, if you can't call them, how do you get in touch with M1 Finance? The most common way is through their in-app messaging system. This allows you to submit a detailed request, attach screenshots or documents, and receive a response from their support team. They also offer a comprehensive help center on their website, which contains articles, FAQs, and tutorials covering a wide range of topics. This resource can often answer your questions without needing to contact support directly. Another avenue is their email support. While not as immediate as a phone call, email provides a reliable way to communicate with their team. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the frustration. Many people, especially those accustomed to traditional financial institutions, find the lack of phone support disconcerting. They worry about the inability to get immediate assistance in critical situations. This is a valid concern. However, M1 Finance argues that their digital support channels are designed to be efficient and responsive. They claim that most inquiries can be resolved quickly through their in-app messaging system or help center. But what about urgent situations? What if your account is compromised or you're experiencing a technical issue that requires immediate attention? M1 Finance acknowledges the need for timely assistance in such cases. They emphasize that their support team prioritizes urgent requests and strives to respond as quickly as possible. They also recommend utilizing their in-app messaging system and providing detailed information about the issue to expedite the resolution process. It's important to remember that M1 Finance is not alone in adopting a digital-first support model. Many fintech companies and online brokers are moving away from traditional phone support in favor of more efficient and scalable digital channels. This trend reflects the changing landscape of customer service, where digital tools and self-service resources are becoming increasingly prevalent. However, the lack of phone support does raise some legitimate questions about accessibility and user experience. Some users, particularly those who are less tech-savvy or prefer human interaction, may find this approach challenging. Furthermore, the reliance on digital channels can create a sense of detachment, especially during stressful situations. The ability to speak to a real person can provide reassurance and address concerns in a way that digital communication cannot. So, what can you do if you prefer phone support? Unfortunately, if you're committed to using M1 Finance, you'll have to adapt to their digital support model. However, you can take steps to mitigate the potential drawbacks. First, familiarize yourself with their help center and in-app messaging system. Understand how to submit support requests and access resources. Second, be prepared to provide detailed information about your issue when contacting support. The more information you provide, the faster they can resolve your request. Third, consider using other resources, such as online forums and communities, to find answers to your questions. Many users share their experiences and solutions to common problems. Fourth, if you're concerned about urgent situations, consider setting up alerts and notifications to stay informed about your account activity. Ultimately, the decision to use M1 Finance is a personal one. You need to weigh the advantages and disadvantages of their platform, including their customer support model, and decide if it aligns with your needs and preferences. While the lack of phone support may be a deal breaker for some, others may find that the efficiency and convenience of their digital channels outweigh the drawbacks. It's also important to acknowledge that M1 Finance is constantly evolving. They may introduce new support options in the future, so it's worth staying updated on their latest developments. In conclusion, while M1 Finance does not offer direct phone support, they provide alternative channels for customer communication, including in-app messaging, email, and a comprehensive help center. Their digital-first approach is driven by efficiency and scalability, allowing them to offer competitive pricing and features. Understanding their customer support model is crucial for making an informed decision about whether M1 Finance is the right platform for you. Consider your comfort level with digital communication and your need for immediate assistance. Remember, the world of finance is changing, and so are the ways we interact with it. Digital first is becoming increasingly common, and while it may not be everyone's favorite, it is a reality. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.